What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Canada. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Matic. We've been absolutely crushing it with our DCA strategy. We're sitting at 181. We're up about 4.73 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 12.57 billion. 24-hour volume is 1.34 billion. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as $25 in their native coin Crow just for signing up through my referral. So we can see here we came all the way up to our TP, take profit zone at 182. So that was a juicy trade of about 14%. I am trading these ones with you guys. I'm trading Phantom. I'm trading Matic. I'll throw my profits up on the screen here. I do use low leverage. If you are going to use leverage, you have to double your margin each time. And then if you're spot trading, you can do equal amounts. So we came up, we hit our take profit zone at 182. We dropped right back down to our buy zone at 170. We're back in profit once again, about 5%. Now do keep an eye on a double top pattern. If you see us come up, we hit resistance and we start to roll over, we could create a little bit of a double top here, guys. Because of course, if Bitcoin were to come down a little bit, it pulls the market down with it, right? So it's just something to keep an eye on, in my opinion. If we were to roll over here, it could bring Matic back down to about $1.59. So it is still a nice little trade opportunity here. From $1.70 to $1.82 is about a 6-7% trade. Now, if we do break this level of resistance, then our next major level is 196, and of course, we have our all-time high, or sorry guys, our previous high at 222, and I have a take profit zone here at about 214 for Matic. We are back above the EMAs here on the 4-hour, which is a good signal. We've had the bullish cross, but we're going to jump into the larger time frame. So here's Matic on the daily. Not too much has changed here. Just a quick drink of water, guys. Hope you're well. Hope the pets are healthy. If you don't have a pet, I highly recommend one. They bring a lot of happiness into your life. So we are still back above the EMAs here on the daily, and we're holding this trend line of support. So as long as we hold this trend line, I think we're going to slowly creep up, break the 0.786, excuse me, and see continuation up to the previous all-time high and up to the 1.272 extension. I want to jump into Ethereum. The reason I do Ethereum and Matic together is because they move very closely. When Ethereum pumps, Matic most of the time, not always, follows. As you can see here, Ethereum is looking really good, guys. We broke this neckline from this kind of triple bottom, rounding bottom pattern, and we've come up to this level of resistance that had dropped in quite a while ago, which is coming in at 4631. We do have a technical target here at 4951 for ETH. If we hop over to the daily time frame, it's beautiful that we broke this major level of resistance at 4416. We were under it for quite some time here, which was the previous all-time high back in May. And I've been talking about that ABC correction. I said it's crucial. We have to get back above 4416 so we can invalidate this ABC. What needs to happen now is we have to come and break the previous all-time high. If we break it, we invalidate the ABC, because we could still technically roll over and go through that ABC correction. I said ABC way too many times. We're about to have the bullish cross of the MACD on the daily, which is a strong sign of a pump, guys. As you can see here, bullish cross, pump, bullish cross, pump. And we're just about to print the bullish cross. So I keep a close eye on the daily MACD. But Ethereum, it's looking really, really strong in my opinion. And we're looking for continuation. And even if we look at Bitcoin here, we can see that inverse head and shoulders. If we can come up and break that neckline, our target is 63712. Even if we roll over, guys, as long as we hold this trend line of support, as you can see, support here, and we had support all the way from the start of this juicy pump. Support, impulsive wave, find support, impulsive wave, find support along this trend line. So if we were to roll over, we hold this support of this trend line, we hold the 0.786, we're still looking really strong for continuation and for our next impulsive wave here for Bitcoin. And of course, we'll pull the market with it. So let's finish off the video here with Matic. Do watch 182. I'll definitely probably be closing around 50% of my trade. I'll let the rest ride just to see if that double top pattern forms here. And then on the larger time frames, we'll give our bull run targets based off our Elliott wave theory. 3 impulsive waves followed by 2 corrective waves, as well as within each large wave is 3 impulsive waves and 5 corrective waves. So we have our bull run target at 677, the 1.618, And then we have the 2 extension at 1181 and the 2.272 at 1677 at 1767, but as of right now our target is 677. If you're new to Elliott wave theory, I don't like to make my videos too long, so please do some research on it. There's incredible videos on YouTube as well as on Google to help you understand Elliott wave theory. And we have our targets for Ethereum as well. We have the 1.618 coming up at 8,000 and the 2 extension, the dream price for Ethereum at 1137. I think if ETH were to make it all the way to 11,377, that's when we could see Matic start heading up to our next bull run target at 1181, which I would absolutely love to see. That would be really, really exciting. So that's it for this one, guys. If we do roll over here, 170 can be used as a buy zone once again, and then we have our next buy zone at this strong level of support at $1.50. Quick shout out to the Discord, guys. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. We have some incredible members in here posting technical analysis, and it's the price of a coffee, $3.50 per month USD. You really can't beat it. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.